We've rounded up the 10 places in America to get land for under $50,000, so you can find the perfect property without breaking the bank. From small towns in the Midwest to big cities on the coasts, you're sure to find something that meets your needs. Keep watching to learn more about the best places to buy land in the U.S. without spending a fortune. Number 10. Taylor County, Texas. Taylor County is a rural haven with a population of 132,000 and a total area of 1,068 square miles. With Abilene as its county seat, Taylor County provides plenty of activities for enthusiasts and small-town charm that can't be found anywhere else. This county's most famously known for its stockyards, the Abilene Zoo, its well-preserved ranch lands, and my personal favorite being Dr. Seuss Park, where you'll find statues of books within the Dr. Seuss franchise. The town of Buffalo Gap hosts a traditional Western rodeo each summer, and the area's many lakes provide plenty of opportunities for swimming and boating. The cost of land in Taylor County varies widely based on size and location. While some lots can range in price from $20,000 to $25,000 per acre, $45,000 can get you anywhere from 2 to 5 acres. Number 9. Darke County, Ohio. Darke County is home to a population of over 53,000 people, making it one of the larger counties in Ohio. The county is known for its abundant farmland, agriculture, rolling hills, and small communities. When it comes to land prices in Darke County, the average cost for a lot in the county is just over $30,000. This makes Darke County one of the more affordable places to purchase land in Ohio. Acreage is also relatively affordable, with an average price of $6,000 per acre. Number 8. Christian County, Missouri. Nestled in the Ozarks of southwest Missouri, Christian County is known for its rolling hills and picturesque valleys. Home to over 80,000 residents, it's the 25th largest county in the state. There are 7 incorporated cities in the county, including Ozark, Nixa, and Clever, with several unincorporated communities and rural areas. You can find a couple of parks, museums, and zoos, with Mark Twain National Forest being the largest public area. However, when it comes to land for sale in Christian County, there are plenty of options for those who are budget conscious. You can expect to find lots starting at $5,000 that can get you from 1 to 10 acres or more. These lots often have access to electricity, water, and other amenities. Overall, Christian County is a great place to purchase land on a budget. Whether you're looking for a peaceful spot to build your dream home or an outdoor paradise to explore, Christian County has it all. With plenty of land for sale under $50,000, it's easy to find something that meets your needs and budget. Number 7. Lafayette County, Mississippi. Lafayette County is home to just over 47,000 people. It's located in the northwest corner of Mississippi and is also known as the birthplace of blues music. Its economy is largely based on agriculture, and it's a great place to experience the state's rural beauty. With its rolling hills and rivers, there are plenty of outdoor activities to enjoy. Real estate prices in Lafayette County vary, but lots with acreage can be found for $40,000, which can get you 2 to 3 acres. Number 6. Gloucester County, Virginia. Located in the heart of the Hampton Roads area, Gloucester County, Virginia is known for its rolling hills and picturesque coastline. With a population of just over 37,000, its rural county is home to beautiful landscapes and plenty of outdoor activities. It's also home to historical landmarks, such as Gloucester Courthouse Village and the Lee Fendall House Museum. For those looking for land at an affordable price, Gloucester County offers several opportunities. Lots with views of the Chesapeake Bay or Mobjack Bay can be found for around $40,000, while small plots of land with rural views are available for as low as $20,000. In addition, there are a few large parcels of land that have recently become available for $35,000 for 1 acre. Outdoor activities such as fishing, camping, biking, and kayaking are all popular in the area. For those who prefer something less physical, there are plenty of scenic views and birdwatching spots throughout the county. When it comes to dining, shopping, and entertainment, Gloucester County has much to offer. There are several restaurants and bars in the area, as well as 2 local wineries. Shopping centers are plentiful, ranging from antique stores to farmers markets to big-name retailers. There are also plenty of places to catch a show or listen to some live music. Number 5. Gallia County, Ohio. Gallia County has a population of 30,069, according to the 2010 census. The county is located in the southeastern region of the U.S. state of Ohio. Gallia County is well known for its natural beauty and recreational opportunities, including the Ohio River, which is used for boating and fishing, as well as a wide variety of other outdoor activities. Other attractions include the historic villages of Bidwell and Rio Grande, numerous lakes, and dozens of miles of trails for biking and hiking. In terms of real estate, Gallia County is an attractive place to buy land for under $50,000. Many properties are situated along the Ohio River, providing stunning views and easy access to some of the country's best recreational activities. Properties vary from small lots with minimal development potential to larger tracts with road frontage, utilities, and plenty of room to build your dream home or cabin. Prices range from $39,000 for 9 acres, depending on the location. Number 4. Holmes County, Florida. Holmes County, located in northwest Florida, is prominent for its beautiful landscapes, rich history, and small-town charm. It's one of the state's least populated counties, with a population of just over 19,000 people. The county's a great place to enjoy outdoor activities such as fishing, camping, and birdwatching. The county's also home to the town of Bonifay, which offers a variety of shops, restaurants, and entertainment options. This makes it a great destination for those looking for an escape from the hustle and bustle of larger cities. In terms of land prices, Holmes County is an affordable option for those looking to invest in property. Lots can be purchased for around $25,000 for 6 to 7 acres, making it an excellent choice if you're on a tighter budget. Holmes County has seen a recent boom in both residential and commercial development, which makes it a great location for those who want to establish roots or businesses in the area. At the recording of this video, it's 24 degrees where I'm at, and I'm telling you, the remote start business is booming. Just a piece of advice. There are many different types of homes available in the county, ranging from traditional single-family homes to more modern condominiums. With its rural feel and convenient access to urban centers, Holmes County is an ideal spot for those looking to buy land in Florida. Also, another bonus I thought you might be glad to hear is that Florida has no state income tax, so that's pretty neat. Number 3. Peoria County, Illinois. Peoria County is a part of the broader Peoria metropolitan area and is situated in the state of Illinois. Peoria, the county's largest city, serves as its county seat. The U.S. Census Bureau's 2019 projections place Peoria County's population at 186,498. As one of the most populous counties in Illinois, there's plenty to do and explore. Outdoor activities are plentiful, with several state parks and conservation areas in the vicinity. There are also several historic sites and attractions, such as the Fort Creve Coeur State Historic Site and Fond du Lac Park District. Peoria County is known for its affordable housing market, and land lots can be found for $23,500 to $24,000, which can get you around 1.6 acres. Although keep in mind, prices vary depending on the size of the lot and its location within the county. Number 2. Shelby County, Tennessee. Shelby County is known for its rich history, beautiful landscape, and great economy. The population of the county stands at around 936,000 people, making it one of the most populous counties in the state. Shelby County is home to Memphis, which is the second largest city in Tennessee and the 27th largest in the United States. It's known for being a hub for music, culture, and education, with numerous universities and colleges located here. There are also many other attractions in the county, such as Graceland and the National Civil Rights Museum. For those looking for affordable land, Shelby County is a great option. Lots typically range from $5,000, which can get you 0.13 acres, and are located in various areas of the county, from urban to rural. Number 1. Otsego County, New York. Otsego County is located in upstate New York and is part of the Appalachian region. With a population of approximately 61,000 people, Otsego County is a beautiful and quiet area of the state. It's bordered by Schoharie County to the west, Delaware County to the east, and Herkimer County to the north. Known for its pastoral landscapes, farms, and rural charm, Otsego County is the perfect place to get away from the hustle and bustle of city life. The county has a couple of museums, parks, and a zoo where you can go horseback riding and engage in other outdoor activities. Land in Otsego County is relatively affordable. With $30,000 to $40,000, you're sure to get a respectable 6 to 8 acres in this county. Many of the areas have public water systems, septic systems, and other amenities. With the perfect mix of rural peace and modern convenience, Otsego County is honestly an excellent place to purchase land for those looking for great value. Now, cheap land, of course, is amazing, but if you heard about free land, truth be told, you've only really seen the tip of the iceberg. If you're interested in getting land in the US for totally free, then we'll see you in this next video.